Well, a beautiful spring day. There's the view currently from the Charlottesville camera here on this Tuesday evening. We began the day with a lot of clouds, and the clouds thinned out for a lot more sunshine. Let's check in on the numbers. Warmest they've been in quite a while. Currently at the airport, 76 degrees. The airport did touch 78 this afternoon, which is almost par with average for this time of year. A light southerly wind at 8. Currently in the Shenandoah Valley, we have 74 with clear skies. A light southeasterly wind. Some other readings, we've got 75 in Madison. We've got 75 in Palmyra, 78 there in Dillwyn, and we've got 73 currently in Harrisonburg. Visible satellite picture as it begins. You can see those clouds we had around this morning, and then they kind of moved out of the region. There is a front that's kind of dissipating down across far southwest Virginia. It was responsible for a few showers there, but temperatures tonight with mostly clear skies will be pretty much where they were this morning. Most of us will be in the low 50s. There could be a few upper 40s. A little bit of patchy fog is possible. Tomorrow, temperatures jump into the 80s area wide, so again, each day we'll tack on several more degrees, and we're not done with the warmth. And we'll see 90-degree temperatures certainly by this weekend if we don't touch it on Friday. So low to middle 80s tomorrow. Thursday, mid to upper 80s, and upper 80s to around 90 here on Friday. The only drawback with this forecast going into the weekend right now is we don't see any widespread organized systems to bring us rainfall. We could certainly use that. Things are quiet on NBC29's Doppler radar network, and again, just few showers down across far southwest Virginia, but you'll notice as we look off to the west, most of the moisture is channeling from south to north. It's not pushing east, and that's because we're kind of in a blocking pattern in the atmosphere. Ongoing heavy rain, lots of flooding. Lake Charles, a 36-hour rainfall total of over 15 inches of rainfall. Phenomenal. Again, severe weather continues across East Texas, and we've got more storminess coming off the lee of the Rockies. Meanwhile, it's all about the warmth. While this may not look too warm now, most of the midsection of the country, the temperatures will be held down because of the clouds and the rain, but temperatures are going to build here in the east with a ridge that's really going to heat things up, and that means temperatures by the late week and upcoming weekend will be in the 90s for many locations. So a summer-like pattern minus the high humidity that we normally get during the summer months. We'll begin the morning in the 50s. We'll have a nice pleasant afternoon. It will be warmer, temperatures in the low and middle 80s. Then we'll start in the upper 50s and low 60s Thursday morning. Thursday afternoon, most of us will be in the mid to upper 80s for daytime highs. So for tonight, mostly clear, some patchy fog, most of us in the lower 50s. Here's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast as temperatures will continue to climb, and big difference from what we saw last week when we were struggling to get out of the 50s and 60s. We're talking about daytime highs here next several days. It'll jump well into the 80s, and we've got some low 90s here by this weekend. There could be some hit and miss shower and thunderstorm activity tail into the weekend, and we'll follow next week. But for those that wanted it warm, real quickly, you got your wish.
Now we can put the jackets and coats away.
Yeah.
Thanks, Eric.
Thank you. Well,